Hello guys, Crypto here, and that's another video of the Mega Profits channel. Let's talk about COTI, one of my personal favorites that's having a rough day, to be honest. As you can see, COTI has made incredible run and almost doubled in price. Went incredibly good, but with the current markets it cannot rally, it cannot go any further, and that's also because COTI did tweet today a new update of its browser, and it looks incredible. The technical advancement is there, and as you know, in crypto, more often than not, we always have a jump on news events and we go down, and all this advance here was most probably caused by people that knew about this advance and have accumulated and really made a lot of profits. To be honest, today it seemed like COTI can go even higher, but the markets and the finances today were way too cruel and it could not fulfill its destination. As you can see, during the weekend, COTI had this beautiful breakout of this. To be honest, that's a berry structure, and it normally breaks to a downside, but COTI in its unique way did break to the upside and was forming this bullish consolidation here, but unfortunately with the whole market dumping and the whole oil story and all the Wall Street drama and coronavirus panic, COTI could not hold its advance and it dumped a lot on the news event. Um, with more than so far 12%, and if we measure it from the top, more than 15%. It had a bearish retest, as you can see here, and it spiked a little bit, but then, of course, it went down again like this. Actually, what I think is that it should cool off a little bit more and probably go down more, and then I'll be a buyer again because I think that the technology behind this project is astonishing, and as you can see in this article, it's a new blockchain, it's a new protocol, and it's very good. It makes a lot of transactions per second that are secure, and according to one of its last tweets, they are regulators friendly. You heard right. COTI will be a killing machine, will be a profits machine once again when the time comes. But until then, because really few cryptocurrencies are regulators friendly, yeah, most of them are seen as securities or even worse. So COTI will have its time again. It might be that we should wait for a bigger retrace. Um, let's draw the FIPS here. As you can see, it's currently getting closer to the third FIP, and then we'll most probably see a move to the 0.5 FIP, and then we'll see. We have a support here, support confluence, but it might be that we have a bounce here, we have a dead cat bounce or something like this, and then we go even lower. Below these levels, I'll most probably be a buyer. Um, just around at anything around 300 or even a little bit higher, I'll be a buyer here. Yes. So that's it for COTI. I do not take it out of the equation that we might have an astonishing strong pump into the skies, as most other new hot coins have made, but most probably will be deepening this retrace here because we had this bearish retest, and we could not go higher return, and we went down. So most probably some more downsides, and then let's see what the markets bring us. Thank you once again for watching. If you liked the video and if it brought value to you, click the like button and subscribe. I thank you again. Stay safe out there and bye.